Hey everybody, I'm at work and we got the call to hook up the plows and go scrape the roads. We got about 2 inches of snow. It's been snowing all day. It's supposed to snow a little while longer and hopefully turn to rain. I don't know if you can see it, but the snow's turned to icy pellets. Well, I'm about halfway done with my route and the snow has turned to ice. You could probably hear it hitting the windshield. I think it might be one pass around all my streets and done today, unless it changes back over to snow, which I doubt. But no overtime today, straight time.